And we're here with a SanDisk. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Nathan. I'm with SanDisk. I'm part of the product marketing team here.
So what's the Creator Series?
The Creator Series is a collection of products. Right now it's a collection of 7 products as of today that targets content creators specifically. So these are people that are, colorful, creative, vibrant people out in the world creating content for various platforms, right? It could be social media, it could be YouTube, podcasts, live streaming, whatever it is. And our goal was to provide a collection of products that satisfy the needs of that creative workflow. So one of the ones that we're most excited about, I'm not sure if you were introduced already, but this is the new Creator Phone SSD. The Creator Phone SSD is our first MagSafe-compatible SSD. So with, there's my hair right there. Yep. So with MagSafe, I can attach it to really any MagSafe-compatible device. And so long as that MagSafe device has USB-C, I can plug in and I can record directly to the drive. So the most
and it's stable on here?
Yeah, so I can shake it. It's got drop tested to 3 meters. It's IP65, so it's durable just in case it gets knocked off. And I think a lot of people think of MagSafe as an iPhone thing, but obviously MagSafe is not specific to iPhone, right? We're seeing Android devices with cases and accessories coming out that are MagSafe compatible. So really, if you have USB-C and you have the ability to record directly to the drive, it's compatible. And then of course, because it's a standard SSD, I can simply unplug it or disconnect it from my device, and I can plug it into a laptop. I can load my content into Final Cut Pro. I can do all my editing, whatever I need to do, and then publish it to social channels.
Why is it blue?
That's a good question. So at this point, we've talked to probably over 2,000 content creators. And one of the universal themes is that they found storage to be very boring. So our industrial design team went and did fairly extensive research globally to understand what might make people feel a little bit more connected to their storage product. And this blue gradient really resonated with creators. And we're seeing it here today. People are talking about it. A woman just said, absolutely stunning, which I love to hear. And we recently took them to Adobe Max in Miami in October. And the creators at Adobe Max, again, absolutely love the color. But one of the benefits is that being blue, it makes them easy to find. So instead of somebody going out into this world that is just a sea of black and gray products, they can now go and see something that is clearly made for them. It addresses their creative workflow, and they know that it's the right product for what they're doing. Now, obviously, we've been working with content creators for decades at this point, right? And so people who know SanDisk know SanDisk. That's awesome. What we want to do is talk to people who may not be as familiar with SanDisk or may not be as familiar with technology as a whole. They're just getting started in the space. So we actually recently launched sandisk.com/creators. And that site not only has product information, but we're also going to start bringing educational content to help aspiring creators figure out what it is they need to produce the content they want to produce and how to get it out into the world.
I think it'd be cool if, let's say I buy a 4 terabytes SSD, a nice blue one like this, then you should give me a lifetime 4 terabyte backup on the cloud.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Included.
We don't do that,
okay.
But that's cool.
I don't know, maybe one way, maybe.
Yeah, one of the things
and then you just buy a whole bunch of SanDisk because you get more and more storage.
That's right. One of the things
needs to be archival storage, just a backup, just in case, I lose my...
Yeah, no, it's a cool idea. That's absolutely something I think we should talk about. One of the things that I think is nice about the Creator Series that, again, is primarily going to benefit those who are just getting started is that we do include an Adobe software limited, right? So we can do a month of Creative Cloud with some of the products, or 3 months of Adobe Lightroom. And so for people who are already Adobe subscribers, it'll just add on to their current subscription. But again, for those who are just getting started, it's something new that they can try out and they can see if it's something that's right for them. And they're really obviously renowned creative production tools. So
might there be other color options?
Say that again?
Might there be, if I prefer red or something?
Oh, I see. Not on the roadmap at the moment, but who knows what the future will bring.
All right. Right here, you're showing it off with the video editing.
Yeah,
That's a
so
great
this is
use
really,
case, huh?
there's a couple of use cases that I think are important for people to see. One of them is exactly the Creator Pro Portable SSD is for truly portable workflows. So that is 2,000 megabytes per second read-write. So that is capable of editing directly from the drive. It's a perfect solution for people that are out in the field, capturing content and editing that content in the field. The other one that I think is important to recognize is the Creator Desk Drive. The Creator Desk Drive is up to 8 terabytes of solid-state backup storage. So this is intended to stay 8 terabytes. It's intended to stay in the studio or at home, wherever it is. In this case, I've basically replicated my home setup. So I have the Creator Desk Drive connected to a USB-C hub that's integrated into my monitor. So that way, all I have to do is connect one cable to my laptop when I get home, and it remounts the drive, and now it starts backing up automatically to my desk.
It's like a hard drive, 2.5 inch there?
Except no moving parts, because it's solid state.
It's solid state.
Solid state.
All right.
So I can do 4 terabytes, or I can do 8 terabytes.
All right. In this size, 8 terabyte fits in there.
Yep.
But it's for backup, it's not for...
Yeah, we really positioned it for backup. I mean, sure, it's 1,000 megabytes per second, so it's 4 times faster than a traditional platter-based hard drive. So you can kind of do whatever you want, but it's really positioned as a backup solution. You'll notice that it doesn't operate off of bus power, so it needs to be plugged in. It's really designed to stay, like I said, at home, in the studio, in the office, wherever it is. And I think it works most effectively as a backup solution. If you're really looking for speed and you need something that you can take with you, that would be the SanDisk Pro Portable SSD. And if you want something for mobile production that's MagSafe compatible, that's the Phone SSD.